This is how you use the MySCC web portal to set up your initial college email account, and also to how to access your account at a later time. From the college homepage, which is www.southwesterncc.edu, you'll click on the MySCC link from the top menu. Once you go there, if this is the first time you need to log in, you'll click on the first time users link. If you already have your account set up, at this point you can put in your username and password. In this example, I'm a first-time user, so I'm going to click on that link, and it brings me to the self-service reset password management console. At this point, I'll need to activate or reset my password. At this point is where you will put in your SEC username, and you should have this information. It's generally going to be a combination of your first and last name and your student ID. So I'm going to enter the one for this example and put in the CAPTCHA information indicated. At this point, it's going to ask you some different questions that you need to validate that you are who you say you are. So I'm going to put in, for this example student, the information. At this point, I validated that I am who I say I am, so I'm going to enter a new password, and it must meet the criteria listed up above. It must be at least 12 characters long, and it must contain uppercase, lowercase numbers, and special characters. Once you've done that, it'll verify that the passwords match. If you need to make a change or it doesn't meet some criteria, it will let you know. Once you have it successfully set, it'll give you a congratulations message. At this point, you can get out of the self-service password screen. You can go back to the main college website and log in to your account. Once you log in for the first time, it will take you through the terms and agreements page, which you need to go in and be sure to read all of this information. Once you read all of it and scroll down to the bottom, you'll click on I agree. Once you've logged into MySCC, you'll see a screen similar to this one. On the left, you have your quick launch pad where you can access resources such as your student email, Blackboard, self-service, and other resources. Down the center pane, you'll see some things such as financial aid TV videos, any announcements from Blackboard, instructions how to pay online, and other items. On the right-hand side are college policies and information that you are responsible for knowing. You are encouraged to go in and read these different policies. Across the top, you will see tabs for different resources at the college, such as the library, where you'll be able to go in and look at various online databases and research tools. Some are external links to areas of the college, such as the Career Center and e-learning support for students. If you need support with any of your e-learning resources, you can go to this web page and find out information. If you need help from information technology support at the college, from the college webpage, you can go in and click on Contact Us, go to Information Technology and IT Student Support. From there, you'll see some instructions and different frequently asked questions on different items that may be of assistance, or if you need to contact IT support, you can contact us using the information listed on the screen.